Hello, friends, welcome back. If it's your first time here, thank you for stopping by and welcome. Today I'm going to share the way I make spaghetti. It's super easy and I hope you enjoy it. You will need 1 pack of Italian sweet sausage, 1 Prego tomato basil garlic sauce, half a cup of onions, 1 to 3 garlic cloves, 1 medium Roma tomato, a dash of salt and pepper, a dash of dried basil and oregano, and your choice of olive oil or avocado oil. I start by taking the sausage out of the casing. This is going to be the meatballs. Add the sausage to a hot skillet. Then add water. This helps the sausage cook all the way. Once the sausage is fully cooked, you will remove it. Then you will add your tomato and onions to it. This is all the oil the sausage released. That's why I didn't want to add oil and I added water instead because I knew the sausage would release some oil. At this point, you can start adding all the seasonings. I added a bit of avocado oil so that my vegetables don't stick to the pan. I added the garlic last so it won't burn and become bitter. I added the sauce once all of the vegetables were cooked down. At this point, you can add your cooked sausage into the sauce. Here's the finished product, you guys. I hope you like it. I know my family and my friends really did enjoy it. If you make this for your family, please comment below and tell me what you think. And don't forget to like and subscribe.